how you can grow your nails within just 3 days by a simple remedies. So let's start it. For the first remedies, we need a lemon. Just by this one remedy you can grow your nails very fastly and easily. So what you need to do is take this lemon and cut them down into 2 pieces. The one piece should be smaller and the one piece should be larger. Then take out its seeds from the lemon and clean it from the seeds. Then what you need to do is add 2 or 3 drops of olive oil in it, and also slightly press the lemon to mix this oil with the lemon juice. Then dip your nails within just this lemon and keep it for 4 to 5 minutes. Friends, by doing it regularly, you will see a clear difference in your nails and your nails will grow fastly. In the second remedy, what we need is just 1 tomato, and also take its 2 to 3 pieces because we also need its juice. So what you need to do is take it 1 or 2 pieces that are enough for our nails, and then rub it on your nails. Friends, by that way you can easily grow your nails and you will also stronger your nails. It is one of the best remedy that every girl apply in their home. Also, it works like a magic. You will see a very clear difference by regularly using it. So let's jump into the third remedy, and what you need is take 1 or half teaspoon of coconut oil into a container. And then add 1 vitamin E capsule with it. Just mix these oils together and you will see its amazing result, that how it works like a magic. Simply mix it into that container, and then what you need to do is dip your nails into it. Regular using it within just 3 days, you will see a difference within your nails. If your nails are broken, if you have a fungal issue on your nails, that's all will be resolved by this remedy. So apply one of them and do let me know in the comment. Thank you everyone.